Hello, my name is Eduar Avilan. I have 32 years. Working in the company, I have a beautiful family composed of my beautiful wife and daughters who are the prince of the house. I live in the municipality Cibate, Cundinamarca. My family is very big and fun. We share every day and dinner. On Sunday afternoon, we go out to the mall. It's fantastic because our daughters enjoy it. I love. During the week, my daughters study and work, and my wife takes care of household chores. My wife works on weekends. The food is studied with the hers. At home, we have a cute cat that is my daughter's pet, and sometimes we take it out to the street. We always go out to, to the drive field in our car. Thank you.